You want to get rich in crypto. Well, that's a pretty good instinct. I'd say we all do. And one of the better ways to go about doing it is to follow the smart money. Or in other words, just look at what VCs are investing in. It's very important to take that kind of information into consideration. And then be sure to also remember another rule for crypto: be early. That's exactly where you can find these VCs. They are at these super early stage projects. And we are specifically looking at 3 of these super early stage projects in today's video. In fact, these projects have not yet even released a token. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest. Maybe that's with the projects that we're going to be looking at today. Maybe that's into other altcoins. Either way, I hope it goes well. But you got to put my well wishes aside, be objective, understand that I'm not a financial or investment advisor. And so of course that means that this video is not official financial or investment advice. If you missed out on the exclusive Altcoin Buzz and Enjinstarter $100 IDO giveaway for OpenFabric AI, that's unfortunate, but you got to keep checking out Altcoin Buzz Alpha. We're still giving away free exclusive giveaways in the form of monthly free memberships. Check that out with the information below. Plus, our campaign with Enjinstarter is ongoing, and we're going to have more giveaways and more allocations in terms of IDO prizes coming up in the near future. Check the link and the pinned comment under this video for more information. Okay, and starting off here at number 1, we're taking a look here at the first project on our list, Supra, or perhaps you may know them as Supra oracles. To date, they have raised a nice $24 million, and their main backer is Coinbase Ventures, but they also have the support of Animoca Brands, Hashkey Capital, and Huobi Ventures. So some big names and some heavy hitters in the VC crypto space are backing this project. And like I said, you might know of this project as Supra oracles, and that's because of this airdrop video from a little while ago. It features their countdown to blast off airdrop. So it's a big gamified learn to earn airdrop opportunity. And they're going to distribute their Supra tokens, that's S-U-P-R-A, to community members. Don't forget, by the way, to check out their countdown to blast off link in the description of this video and sign up for their airdrop if that's of interest to you. I will include that below. But the big deal here really is that Supra is developing an oracle. And they call this Dora, D-O-R-A, and it's a cross-chain protocol. It's already operational, and their Oracle technology updates already 1.5 million crypto data pairs daily. Supra also has Hypernova. This is a bridgeless communication network, and of course we all know that bridges are prone to hacks and exploits, but in this case, Supra is aiming to make bridging more secure than it is currently, right now in the crypto space. For this, they also use their own moonshot consensus algorithm, and all these features and products on their platform ask for a strong development team, of course. Well, rest assured, Supra has that in their house. They're very solid at the level of the dev team. For example here, let's take a look at Supra's creator, Dr. Aniket Kate. He's well known for his contributions to the Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem, and he's also well supported by a team of PhDs. They actually specialize in Oracle technology, multi-party computation, known as MPC, and blockchain consensus. So the pedigree here is very high. At number 2 on our list, we're considering here proof of play, which very simply creates games. Amit Mahajan founded this project. He's also the co-creator of Farmville, something you may have heard of. And to date, the platform has managed to raise $33 million. Their main backer is A16Z, but other VCs include Green Oaks, Alchemy, Mercury, Firebase, and Zynga. And another investor is Naval Ravikant. He, for instance, invested in Twitter and Uber in their super early stages. So you could say that he has an eye for these things. And you may not know, but it was actually Zynga that published Farmville back in 2009. However, Farmville did shut down in 2020. Now there's a version 2. And so Proof of Play is a blockchain gaming startup. They aim to bring fun into blockchain gaming, which is something that is sometimes unfortunately missing in this particular sector. It's true. And so the project's founder, Amit, wants to build timeless games. So players and gamers can keep coming back and keep playing the game. Good games. Blockchain technology makes this possible after all. And so now the next step is to make enjoyable games. The first game that the team released was Pirate Nation. It's an RPG, which is a role-playing game, and this was back in December of last year, so just under a year ago. Pirate Nation is still in beta, but it is a free-to-play game. Players need to find the PLGD token, or Pirate Gold. And to play the game, you need an early access code, or you can join a waitlist. And so despite Proof of Play being a pretty young company, it can still boast an experienced and very impressive team. Team members have worked with or at Zynga, Riot Games, Epic Games, EA, that's Electronic Arts, Google, Stripe, as well as Meta. And so, of course, these are some pretty epic names and major companies in the industry. Also, don't forget, many insiders think that blockchain gaming is going to do very well in the future. So, for example, during the next bull run. And the gaming industry global revenue may be between $365 and $490 billion this year. But in 2027, we're looking at $688 billion. And blockchain gaming should represent at least 10% of the market by that time. Okay, last but not least, and at number 3 here on our list is Brine Fi, which is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, and they launched back in May of this year, May 2023. And Brine Fi uses the Ethereum scaling system known as Starkware. The project raised $16.5 million. Their main backer is a household VC name, Pantera Capital, but other investors also include the Spartan Group, Starkware Limited, and Elevation Capital. And it's also a non-custodial order book DEX that is very privacy focused. So for private trades, it uses ZK technology. That's zero knowledge technology. And with ZK Tech, you can basically prove something without revealing the important or crucial information. In other words, you can validate information without revealing what that information is. And I want to thank here Finematics for the great explanatory video on ZK rollups. Check it out if maybe this is kind of fuzzy or you don't fully explain the concept. But thanks again to this channel. They do a great job with these explainer kind of videos. One of the major privacy advantages is that the project here excludes front running. So especially with large orders, actually. Front running is where you get pre-market knowledge, but now you can take advantage of an order before it processes. So this is a major benefit, actually. I can't overstate how important this is. Furthermore, nobody can follow your private trades. So you can't scare other users that may be following your trades. And really, overall, this just makes the market more efficient. Brine Fi also has a very high-speed trade execution, which allowed for daily volumes of $3 to $4 million. So you're going to want to be on the lookout for this project. It is certainly not a major name right now in the crypto space, but we expect them to get more and more attention very soon in the near future. In fact, that goes for all 3 of the projects that we covered on today's list. Keep an eye on them.